Alright, got a 2013 Veloster NAV. I'm trying to get this piece off so I could paint it black because I don't like the chrome. Take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take those off. I guess 2 screws and 4 10 mils. And then you're gonna want to lift this up. Oh, I have no light.
And you can stick your screwdriver underneath and unscrew the 7 screws to unhook the top of the grill. Once you get those 7 screws undone, this top part will pop right off. I'll show you where the screws are located here in a sec. There's 3 on the right, 2 underneath the logo, and 2 on the left. 7 total screws for this thing to pop off. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Alright, after you get that off, there's 4 screws on the back of this. Take those off, and you can take off this chrome piece, the big chrome piece. Okay, so I got this chrome piece off, but this stuff is like tin foil, vinyl wrap. It's like really hard to get off. It's not easy. So I'll probably just paint over it. Sand that down, see if it'll sand down. Not trying to take all this off. Hell no. Alright, it's my first time spray painting Emblems. Just did the first coat. I did 2 coats on this. Waited 20 minutes after the first coat. I didn't get a clear coat, so I'm gonna see how this turns out. Alright, here's the next day. Put it back on the car. Looks pretty cool. Could have done a better job with my taping, but I like it. Gonna take this off.